All right, so in this question, we are given a rectangle, but the inside of the rectangle is empty. And we're given the area of the shaded area, the blue, and it equals 400 centimeters squared. And with this information, we want to find the dimensions of the large rectangle. So this rectangle. Okay, so the area of the blue part would be the area of the larger rectangle. So this is equal to the area of the larger rectangle minus the area of the smaller rectangle. Because the blue part, it looks exactly like a larger rectangle, but you take out the smaller rectangle out of it. Okay, so let's express that with the dimensions that we are given. So the area of the larger rectangle, the width of the larger rectangle is 3x and the length is 2x. So the area of the larger rectangle would be 3x times 2x. And we want to subtract the area of the smaller rectangle. And we see that the width of the smaller rectangle is 2x and the length is x. So that would be 2x times x. And this is equal to 400 centimeters squared. Okay, so 400 is equal to 3x times 2x is 6x squared minus 2x times x is 2x squared. So then we have 4x squared is equal to 400. Then if we isolate the x, let's divide both sides by 4. So x squared is 100, and let's square root both sides. Then the square root and the square cancel. So we have x is equal to 10. And the unit is, the area of the unit of the area is centimeters squared. So our unit is centimeters. So x is 10 centimeters. And we want to find the dimensions of the larger rectangle. So the width the large rectangle is 3x, which means it's 3 times the value of x, and the value of x is 10. So that would be 30 centimeters, and the length is 2 times x, so 20 centimeters. And that's it.